Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to install and download VLC media player in Windows. So let's get started. The first and easiest and smoothest way of download VLC media player in Safari. Now open the Safari app in your laptop. After the Safari is now open, then hit the search bar and type download VLC media player. Now you can see the official website view their official download of VLC media player. Then click on the first result. And now you can see the version of 3.0.221, 64-bit and 40 MB. If VLC media player less than 40 MB, this is fake or pixel version. Now download the VLC media player. After that, few seconds wait. Now click on click here button. Now you will see VLC 3.0.21 v.exe now download. Now you can wait 14 to 15 seconds. And now you can see VLC media player is now download. Click on the open file button. After that, click on yes. If you can see. Now download next button, next. And now you will see program were downloaded in your laptop local disk C. VLC media player is now objectively attached to your Windows or PC. Now completing VLC media player setup, then click on finish button to close setup. If not open, then you will type the search bar and type VLC media player. No, automatically this is automatically open. The laptop is waiting too much time. And there you have it. You have successfully downloaded VLC media player. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye.